Today, we're going to go over lead magnets. There's really three types of lead magnets. So let me explain to you the difference between the three of those. A lead magnet is something that you are giving away for free in exchange for the user to give you some input, email address, phone number, click, whatever that is. The second one is a squeeze page. It's very straight to the point where you say, give me your email and I will give you blank. So it's a little bit different than a lead magnet where you're giving away something for free in exchange for an email address. You're saying, give me your email and I'll give you something. On a reverse squeeze page, it has the same goals as a regular squeeze page. You're looking to acquire an email address, but what you do is you are actually educating the user on the front end, giving them the information prior to them putting some information into your lead form. You're willing to give them whatever that free information is or that free entry, and they don't have to sign up. You'll get less leads, but typically on a reverse squeeze page, the quality of that lead will be higher. These are the questions you want to ask yourself. Does my lead magnet solve a real problem? Do I make a quick promise they will gain something? Is the lead magnet easy and quick to consume? Does your avatar perceive the giveaway in high value? Do you make the lead magnet available within minutes after the submit? Does the giveaway demonstrate your expertise? Does it allow me to build a relationship with my avatar? Can you ascend the user up your value ladder? And do you have a back-end plan follow-up funnel strategy to support your bonus and giveaway? Going into it a little bit more detail, what you're giving away in return of an email address or a phone number. Does my lead magnet solve a problem? So get my 7-step process on how I increased my dental business without having to spend a lot of money on TV ads. Do I make a promise they will gain something? Is there a quick win? Do they get an immediate result from what you're giving them? On a sweepstakes or giveaway, this wouldn't be relevant. They're not getting anything where you're making any quick promises. You're providing to them something that they want to buy. Is the lead magnet easy and quick to consume, like a checklist or instructions on how to keep it simple? Does your avatar perceive the giveaway at high value? This is important because you want high qualified leads. The more relevant the giveaway to your avatar, the more likely people are interested in trading their information for your information. This goes along lines with your giveaway. If you're giving away something of perceived value for free that they can win, then they're interested. Do you make the lead magnet available within minutes? This is important because you don't want to give the lead magnet away in real time because you want them to stay within your funnel. That's how we're going to be monetizing them after they sign up. Okay. So you want to say that they'll get it within a few minutes, check your email in 10 minutes or something along the lines where they're still going to stay and engage with you. Does the giveaway demonstrate your expertise? Whether you're giving away value or a product, if you're giving away value, it's going to reflect you as an expert. You're showing what you know, your knowledge. You're giving people something that is proven that they're going to get and they're getting it from you. So immediately you're creating credibility for yourself. And when they get it and it's awesome, that's a good step in you building that relationship. Don't just give away a product. Use it. Don't just say this is great. You should know what this product does, why it's amazing. What did it do for you that now you can explain is going to do for your avatars? If you're going to be promoting things and you're going to be using yourself as the attractive character, this all reflects on you. Make sure that whatever you're giving away, you believe in and you're buying into. Does it allow me to build a relationship with my avatar? So by you capturing information, by you giving away things that allow them to connect with you, allows you to continue to build up that relationship. Can you ascend the user up your value ladder? And what that means is you're getting somebody in at the lower level of like a free or a giveaway of some sort, where are these the kind of people that you can get into your database that you can then nurture and indoctrinate and then slowly start to get them to buy more things from you. And the only way you could do that is if you're adding value and it's working. If it's working, they're going to continue to stay with you and work with you, and they're going to spend money with you. They're going to want to spend money with you. Do you have a back-end plan or strategy? Typically, when you're starting up with a lead magnet, you want to have something that's your core offer. You're using lead magnets to build up your list. And then we're going to start to then get the user into our funnels. When you're creating a sales strategy, you need to understand what the people's objections are. I'm imagining you guys have all heard this at some point. What's your vehicle, the internal and your external objections? You want to be using these objections and then solving a problem. So when you're building up your headlines, it's how to desire without pain, how to make money online without spending a lot of money. Making money online is the desire without spending a lot of money. That's the pain. The desire is typically going to remain the same, but what you're doing is you're looking to break down objections here. You don't know what's going to work or not work. And this is why it's pretty important to understand your avatar, because the more you understand who your avatar is, the easier it is for you to create your headline. This is how we're creating our sales messages, how we're going to figure out what we want to give away. These are usually the things that you could be looking at when you're deciding on what kind of lead magnets. And let me just kind of play through here. So here's one of them: how to create offers for your products, types, giveaway, ebook, articles, hard to find YouTube videos, exclusive interview, all kinds of good stuff, right? So you can start to create a list and then start filling this out based on your business. You then have all these things that you can offer people. Here's something that I'm building out right now where the idea is it's in a funnel machine. The concept is that you'll have like a workbook here where you would come and write out what is your curious space headlines, what do you want your giveaway to be, what's the call to action, what's the form, info, name, email. It pumps into my system and then we can pump out a lead magnet. Same thing with a bridge page. You would then write all the stuff up about why this is amazing, but then you'd explain to them that when you sign up for this, you get all these bonuses from me. I've kind of built out some stuff here where you can start to fill out these forms and then they come to me. So I'm just extracting information to you and then I can then build out funnels for you. So to make it easy, because I don't want people getting hung up on this part of the business. Right here, I've built 785 funnels. I've just been building out. Here's like a weight loss, right? So there's just a simple weight loss lead magnet, and there's different formats on how we would do it. They're double opting in, submit, continue with Facebook. You could add your Facebook Messenger here, which we will do. Here's some that are running right now. Are you looking for a healthy diet that works? Looking your best just got easier. Get more information today. Let me just be really clear. This is as vague as it gets. This is not giveaways. This is just a simple lead page that if people want to sign up, they're signing up on a lead gen. They're not really getting anything here. We're running lead magnet offers, and then we're supporting the back end with our search feeds, our ClickX feeds, which I'll show you. So someone puts an email address in and then they land on stuff on the back end. I just wanted to show you some examples. This is back in August on some of the campaigns we were running. Here's on a daily. Here's on the monthly stats, total impressions per day, auto services, rehab, business, total leads, 75, 100, 122, 353. So we were converting anywhere from like 30 to 40%. Interest page impressions. That means that on our ClickX page, this is the ClickX, 75, 100. The impressions are because this is how many leads, this is how many people got through it. From here, how many clicks did we see on the offer? So from that point on our listings page, we're seeing about 46%, 57, 53, 51. Almost half the people, give or take, are actually clicking. And then payable clicks that are following through are these where someone's clicking on an ad, 11, 5, 11, 62. So it ranges depending on the categories that we test, but 31%, 8%, 16. The cost to get these leads, these numbers, the total revenue we generated, the revenue per lead that we generated, 19 cents, 30 cents, 37, 19, 48, 29, 29. The revenue per click backed out to these numbers, the revenue per click from the providers, from the search engines, and that's the actual click from the advertisers, $1.30, $7.33. This means like if you're in a category like business services, they're bidding a lot higher on keywords in Google. So the average value per click on an ad will be worth a lot more money than a home warranty click. Revenue per impression. That means how many impressions are you seeing and what are you making? 8 cents, 15 cents, 7 cents, 15 cents, 9 cents, 12 cents. We'll try to make about 30 cents on the back end between the affiliate offer and the ClickX program, but I wanted to show you guys this so you get an idea what you're making on a revenue per thousand. What's the net margin that we're coming out with based on the media that we're buying? So we lost on the education one that day. We made $2 on business services. We made $5. We made 114 on auto services. 66% net margin, pretty good. 45%, 57%. So these show that we should be increasing the traffic for this one traffic source if it's available. And if you look at that from like a monthly, ultimately same concept, the net at that point for this particular program, we're making $4,000 on education, 3,000 net, 1,800 on home services, 1,700 on attorney. Net on this is a little under $18,000 for the month on this little program where we're generating leads and then we're backing it out and we build out relevant listings based on where they're coming from the front end. The ability for us to find the right traffic with the right categories could allow you to generate revenue. You could build your list up and make money. And when you find the right mix, you can scale it. I mean, that business alone can generate a tremendous amount of revenue for you. On the affiliate side, that's where we're going to find offers that are relevant depending on what your product is. So everybody's going to be different for what they're going to offer somebody in the back end. But we really, right now, I want to just give something away. Use a sweepstakes so that you guys get a lot of signups. We want to just get a bunch of signups because you need enough volume so that you see enough clicks so that you can make a decision on is it working or not. You want it to be a no-brainer for someone to sign up. You want to make it irresistible offer, something that's too good to be true. We just want to get somebody into our database. You get somebody into your database, you're sending to them, they're signing up, you're giving them something. What happens on the back end? Is there a way you can squeeze some juice out of them? Is there something that they'd want to sign up for? Up until the point where you're ready to start getting them to be buying things of yours. You guys are going to have to let people pay you if they want to. But in the meantime, let's get them in your list. Let's start helping them and giving and giving and giving so that they like you and trust you.